You should click the books in order, otherwise this will happen like me. I forgot about that. Sorry. I am trying to get into the secret place again. Let me go. Water, do not flow that way. I'm back here again. Anyways, first we have to click the red one first. Click it. Yeah, I did already. And next, you click the pink. And now you click the light blue, right? Yeah, I think it's light blue. Oh, it was right. It kind of disappeared for some reason. I don't know why. Anyways, now we have to click green. And what am I supposed to click next? I'm supposed to click yellow. Yeah, yellow. Oh, the secret door is open. Now, look, let me just test out if these items are actually real. Let me test it out. I think I have to touch the middle one, right? And then you will get the item. Oh, yes, the item. Yeah, we finally got the item. Yeah, boy. Now we'll see if touching affects any other thing. I think it doesn't, right? Nemo, fishy. Travel, Noah. Not that. It doesn't work. But anyways, we finally found the secret item. Yay! Let's go test it out. Just kidding. I'm not testing it out. I'm gonna let you guys go test it out. Bye.